folks, I have a beautiful little tenor to show you today. This is 774. It's for our friend Danielle Anderson. Her stage name is Danielle Ate the Sandwich, and we've known her all the way since our Colorado days. She plays a couple of instruments I made when I worked at Myamoe, but now she's ready for a bean sprout. The back and sides are some beautiful curly Myrtle. This stuff came from the Carpenter Ant stash. There's a tiny little natural flaw in the Myrtle in the back here that I probably can't even show it, but I don't mind it. Beautiful spruce top, caught on Vancouver Island by our friend Craig. It's got a spruce and myrtle neck, and then beautiful kind of greenish pistachio here, and there's the graft right there on the 7th fret. Walnut binding all around in a simple pistachio bridge. It's got a K&K pickup. She wanted this low G. That sounds great. I think also what's nice about the spruce tops is they've got a good snap to it. I mean, plenty of sustain, it's still warm and beautiful, but there's like a front edge to the snappiness that I like for an ukulele. Yeah, it feels great. So yeah, 774, ready for Danielle. Cheers.